Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials: RC, insurance, and a valid ID, plus clear photos of your chassis and engine numbers. Once done, open the official Hsrp portal or the vendor app and enter your vehicle registration, chassis, and engine digits. Make sure to select the correct plate size and sticker variant now, because the system locks choices later. After confirming details, proceed to the payment screen to reserve your Hsrp slot and generate an initial reference number. Now verify each field carefully. Mismatches cause rejection. You upload photos of your RC, ID, and vehicle numbers. Make sure they are sharp and readable. Next, complete OTP verification tied to your phone, then make the payment, card, UPI, or net banking, and download the receipt. Once payment confirms, choose whether you want doorstep installation or to visit the center. Pick an available date and time. Keep the reference number and receipt. You will need them for tracking and installation. On installation day, be present to inspect the plate and sticker. You should verify hologram, font, color, and that the screw positions align with your vehicle. Compare the installed plate against the receipt details. After fitting, obtain the final invoice and take timestamped photos of the plate for your records. If the installation is delayed, wrong, or the tracking stagnates, immediately contact the vendor helpline, save all payment and chat screenshots, and file a grievance through the portal with supporting images to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.